Hola Mzanse. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel. That will only bring you the latest soccer news the way you want them to be. So if you are new to this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. So before with the questions are being raised up about the absence of the Orlando striker Monapole Salengs of the recent matches of the Orlando Pirates. So before Monapole Saleng is one of the key players for the Orlando Pirates and the fan favorite and was again not included in the team that defeated CRB in the CAF Champions League on Sunday, and questions have been asked about his absence and his future. Monapola Saleng, a 26-year-old, has not played in any of the official matches for the Buccaneers this year, having last features with cameo appearance against Al Ahly in the Champions League in December. In the Betway Premiership, where he has 2 goals in 3 appearances, the speedy winger was last in action in November for 15 minutes against Richards Bay FC. While there have been concerns from the section of the Pirates fans about the 2023 players, Player of the Season bucks have been mum on Saleng's situation, with the club's head coach Jose Riverio occasionally opting to refer to player unavailability as sensitive topic. Despite of the speculation around Saleng's absence from the matchday squad, sources close to Pirates have indicated that the player still has a future with the Bucks. The source said, "Let's respect the club when they say it's a sensitive topic, but what I can tell you is that there are no plans to release the player. He is in the plans and he performs to the best of his ability like all the other players when he is available to play. Whatever the situation it is, let's hope it will get sorted out of the boy to continue giving his best of the team," he said. So that's it for today. Please place your views on the comment section. If in case you know anything about silent absent from the Bucks, I will see you on the next video.